guys, today's video is going to be a haul. I got some good stuff. I got a really exciting piece I'm gonna wait to show you for last. But yeah, just a haul, a thrift haul. I think I'm just gonna do these regularly because you guys like them. Okay, first thing that I found are some American Eagle jeans. These are the Stretch X skinny kick jeans. These are a size 8. I love selling American Eagle jeans and jean shorts. I've actually sold quite a few pairs of jeans over the past week, so people are buying jeans. They're buying them. This is what these guys look like. I've sold a couple of the kick jeans before. The kick, what the hell were they called again? Skinny Kick, brand that I don't normally pick up. It's 7. I don't know. I just wanted to give it a shot. All the pants were on sale at the place that I went to. But these are just bootcut jeans. They're a size 27. I found this Victoria's Secret or pink Victoria's Secret hoodie. Size extra small, but this is definitely a small. It just says Hawaii on it. I don't know. That was a little different. And then has pink on the back there. I found these pairs of Betsy Johnson leggings, and I think they were donated by the same person because they're both the same size and they're right next to each other. They're both a size small. I've never sold Betsy Johnson leggings before. Have I sold anything Betsy Johnson? I don't know. These ones are like a florally pattern, and these ones are just kind of like a tie-dye-ish. I might lot these together. I don't know. They were cheap. I didn't look up comps. I realized I bought some brands that I've never sold before, so hey, fingers crossed. This is a brand that I love. It is AG or Adriano Goldschmied. This is the Stevie Ankle Slim Straight Ankle pants. These are size 28. They're like a light blue. And these are like that super soft material. What is it? Like Tencel, I think it's called. Yeah, 55% cotton, 42% Tencel, 3% PU. What's PU? It literally says PU. What's that? I saw these pants. I thought they were really pretty color. These are actually men's jeans. They're American Eagle Next Level Flex skinny jeans. They are a 26-28, but I'm just gonna sell them as women's because I mean they look like feminine enough. Like I don't know, they were in the women's jeans, but yeah, these are definitely men's. But I love the color. I came across these LL Bean leggings. I've never bought LL Bean leggings before, so I just figured I'd pick them up. They're a size small. Look like this, with like this pattern. I don't know what you would call this. I have this North Face jacket. It's a size small. This Columbia jacket, this is a men's size small or women's medium. I don't know if this is vintage. I don't know. It kind of looks it. And this is super soft. It's from Altered State, which is an Urban Outfitters brand. It's large. This thing is so soft. Oh my gosh. On this black Columbia jacket, size medium. Just a lot of really good like fall winter jackets. This jacket's cute. It's Brandy Melville. Just a like perfect fall jacket, like a little windbreaker color block. Size medium. Their sizing is one size fits all, but that's not a real thing. So I just listed it as a medium because that's what it fits as. This pink Victoria's Secret Sherpa jacket, size small. I gotta do some removal of like, there's just like lint everywhere. Everything's washed, but this stuff especially, like everything sticks to it. So like pretty maroon color. This North Face jacket, it's a Denali jacket. This is a size large. This one's pretty. I've got some sweatshirts to show you guys too. I think this is vintage. It's Disney. It says size extra large, but I measured it and it fits more like a medium. It looks like this. Mickey Las Vegas. Mickey live from the fabulous Las Vegas. That's what it says. Yeah. Cute. I found this sweatshirt and I thought it was cute. It's just on a Gildan tag. It's size small. It says size small, but it's more like a medium. And it's a Statue of Liberty taking a selfie. And it says New York. And then there's something in the corner. It says Phantom right there. Like, I don't know what that means. I gotta look this up. But I don't know, I thought it was cute. I got this Victoria's Secret tank top. I thought this was cute. It says size extra small, but it definitely fits like a small. I really like the back of it in the color. Okay, and the last thing I'm gonna show you guys, oh, did you see it? Did you see the print? So I was looking at the hoodies and I just turned around and I saw this print and I was like, whoa, could it be? It was. I found Burberry. So this is a vintage Burberry skirt. Like, I don't typically pick up skirts, but I saw this print and I'm like, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. So there's the tag. It's legit. It's authentic. It's legit. A kilt style, like pleated kilt. The buckles right here, like that. Looks like this. It is in like excellent condition. There's like no wear on these buckles. The pleats are still really good. Where's the tag on the inside? It's a 10 long. There's the tag on the inside. And then there's the size, 10 long. So I looked up comps and they were kind of all over the place. I mean, one sold for like $350. Another one was like $500. Another one was like 200 something. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see what I list this for. I feel like I gotta wait for the right buyer. Like, this is like the perfect season. My battery light's flashing. This is the perfect season for this skirt. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna definitely list this on Poshmark, probably Mercari, maybe eBay. I don't know, but I'm excited. Burberry, this is only the second time I've found Burberry before. The first time was at the bins. It's a trench coat, like a men's trench coat. So that is it for this video. If there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, it'll be in my Poshmark closet by the time this video is up. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.